So we have here the K&F concept tripod video fluid head with quick release plate. I like it very much. I have tried a couple of different brands and I think this one is my favorite because it's really sturdy, heavy, and seems like it's going to last for a long time. Everything is made of metal, everything, and it comes with a very nice and cute handle which you can extend to some degree. So this is not a full size video head, it's just a small version, but it's sufficient for the nowadays cameras and even more for mine, right? I record with a small Canon M6 Mark II, and also with sometimes with a Panasonic LX10, which is a point and shoot, and both cameras are very lightweight, and this can take care of those. Obviously it's not for maybe for a very big camera, but for this one it's going to get the job done very easily and quickly. Has a nice quick release plate also, Arca Swiss compatible, so if your camera already has a cage, you don't even need to use the included plate. Just insert in the head and that's it.
So this is the fluid ball head. As you can see, it looks pretty robust. It's not too heavy, but it does feel like it's pretty decent quality. So to start panning, all we do is just release this knob at the side, and then we can go left to right. We can also release the knob on the left here to tilt up and down. If we've got them both released at the same time, we can go up or down and to the side, just like that. Now with the arm along here, if we need to put that down, all we need to do is just undo this clip here. You can see the arm is now free. If you do want to take it out completely, there is a flathead screw you just need to release, and that will come off. And if we need to do it up, turn it round, you can just go back to that little clip thing there and then do that back up, and there we go, it is secured again. So all round pretty decent product, really can't complain at all.